Are you a homeowner or a real estate agent? Then this video is for you. If you are in real estate, you know how important it is to create a good first impression of your listings with potential buyers. Low quality photos, messy descriptions, and poorly presented exteriors will fail to attract interest, and you won't be able to sell anything. Our Picsart's listing agent will help you upgrade your property's desirability with just a few clicks. My name is Haik, and let me show you how to do it. Open up the Picsart homepage. Go to the left side and click on AI agents. Our AI agents are software that can help you in your everyday tasks, which lets you optimize your time and money. They look like real human assistants. This listing AI agent features a conversational interface where you can upload images, type prompts, and even use your microphone to provide some instructions. It can transform your low-quality property photos into ready images with enhanced interiors and exteriors, lighting adjustments, property descriptions, listing summaries, and everything you need to start your listing. Here you'll see a list of the available agents we have. So scroll down and find the listing agent. Open it up, and you will be brought to a conversation-style interface where you will interact with the agent as if you are chatting with a real person. Let's upload an image of a beautiful French villa-style home. I want to stage this interior with some beautiful furniture so it looks welcoming and inviting. In the prompt box, I'm going to type in a request to create the interior. Make it simple and short. Then click on the Send button. Now the agent will analyze my request and come back with a detailed description of the interior and give me some suggestions on the furniture and the style and color options. As you can see, the agent automatically created a proposal plan on how to stage the image, which you can either approve or request some changes. According to this plan, we will have one staged photo, which will cost 3 credits. And the furniture direction seems to be cream boucle sofa, terracotta orange velvet armchair, deep teal accent chair, brass coffee table, a fiddle leaf fig, a mustard and forest green pillows. So if you're happy with the plan, approve and start. After a few seconds, we have complete request. Let's take a look together. Wow, look at that interior. This looks way more welcoming. I think I would live there. What about you? Would you live there? Now let's move on to the kitchen area. The photo I have is a little bit too dark, so in the listing agent, let's upload this image and ask the agent to recover this photo. Type in something like this. Make the overall lighting of this kitchen room be brighter as if it was in daylight. Review the proposal plan, and when you're happy, click approve and start. Now this looks much better. Let's go ahead and stage it with some furniture. Stage the kitchen with modern neutral tone dinnerware. Add cozy modern bar seats to the kitchen island and the bar cart off to the left. Approve and done. Now let's take a look. This looks great so far. We now have great photos for the living room and the kitchen. Now let's move on to the exterior. I have a good image of the outside, but it's winter right now. And the lawn, as you can see, it's feeling a little dead. So let's use our listing agent to fix that. Upload the image of the exterior and type this. Make the lawn and all the natural plant elements back to a vibrant green color as if it's spring. We will have one image which will cost 2 credits. The lawn gets vibrant green and everything else stays untouched. Good. Approve and start. It's amazing. In just minutes, the photo transformed from winter and a dead lawn to a very green, vibrant photo, making the exterior of the house much more appealing. It's also important to see images of your listing in different lights. So let's experiment and ask the listing agent to relight the image to dusk. Simply type, change the time of day to dusk. We now have a final photo of the home exterior during dusk, all without having to step outside. I almost forgot to mention that Picsart's listing agent can even create content for you, image descriptions and one-pager PDF, perfect for open houses and for websites. So upload all of your listing images and write this. Create a 2-sentence listing description for each image. And here is the result. We have some great descriptions for each photo. If you want to create a one-pager PDF, simply open up the prompt box and type this. Create an enticing one-pager PDF of the listing, including all the images and their descriptions. Give the agent a minute and it will come back with a description of your listing PDF. Click on it and open it up. Wow, look at this. It's very detailed and professional. Lastly, let's say you want to resize them for Facebook and Instagram pages. So you can ask the listing agent to resize your property images in seconds. First, upload your photos and in the prompt box type this. Resize property images for Facebook and Instagram. Very simple. And click send. The agent will do some processing and it will come back with a summary of your request. It will ask if you want to upload the images to Drive. Click upload to Drive. Then go to your project, go to the listing agent, and here you'll see 4 folders with all resized images for your social pages. These look great and in no time you have ready to post photos, and nothing can stop you from starting your listing now. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. And as always, I'm Haik, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.